the owner and director of the Pacific Specialist Healthcare Private Hospital, Mr. Pravesh Kumar. Marama na toke noa, unua waturanga, uwal waturanga sa wayake, unina turanga ni bunua. Members of the business community in Nadi, in Lautoka. Dr. Raju, I was with your brother last week. He didn't send his regards. Tourism stakeholders, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. Only yesterday I was on the other side of the road for a very important meeting with Fiji Airways leadership. I flew back to Suva for a cabinet meeting this morning, so I apologize for dressing up like this. This was for cabinet this morning. I came straight from cabinet to the airport to fly back here. Ramesh did not mention that I went all the way to Vadodara, or Baroda, in 2006 to get knee replacement operation. Donkey didn't mention knee operation, but hopefully we will get there. Talking about sports facilities. Sports also a very risky business. So I'm sure the owners of the hospital and developers of the hospital will also develop the skills and get the technology to be able to treat those who suffer sports injuries. I had a bilateral knee replacement in Baroda from one of the best known doctors performing that kind of operations in the world, Dr. Bharat Modi, no relative of the Prime Minister, but I'm sure they are aware of what Dr. Modi is doing. And the whole world is aware of what Dr. Modi does in his knee replacement center. Now we're going to have a very distinct hospital here in Nadi. It has taken a lot of courage to think about it, a lot of effort to be able to get the work done, and the funds raised for what we're here to open this afternoon. I'm also very glad that I'm here, and for the first few weeks, in fact the first 6 months of our administration, we have been trying to battle social media. We're getting well known now for being garlanded, for cutting ribbons. But what I'm doing this afternoon is only putting the final touches, doing the final honors for something that was started by the previous government. I must acknowledge that. We will continue to improve what previous governments have done. As Dr. Raju has mentioned, medical tourism is growing rapidly around the world. People look for the best facilities, the best qualified professionals, and they go there. Now, they will have added to those two things that people look for a natural tourist destination with friendly people, very close to the airport. I'm sure it's going to be very, very attractive. The government, the coalition government, recognizes the potential of a growing medical tourism market in this country. Establishing this facility to address the niche market makes very good business sense. As you all know and have come to accept, Fiji is the hub of the South Pacific, nestled between developed nations whose citizens can easily get on a flight and after a few hours, the former Prime Minister would say, after a movie and a beer, you get to your destination. I have been told that the Pacific Specialist Healthcare private hospital is an advanced super specialty 100-bed surgical hospital. And I congratulate the owner, Mr. Pravesh Kumar. I congratulate you and your family and all those who have supported you. Only 2 months ago, I was in Papua New Guinea. And I was asked by His Excellency the President of Fiji to bestow upon the Prime Minister of India and acknowledge the presence of the High Commissioner for India here, our highest honor of Companion Commander of the Order of Fiji, CF for short. He also announced in our meeting that the government of India is funding the setting up, the building and the staffing, initial staffing and equipping of a 100-bed super specialty hospital in Suva. Today we're opening one here in Nadi. I'm sure the Prime Minister of India will be very, very happy to know that we also have built one ourselves. And that we're not only relying on our friendly neighbors and friends from the past. One might think that, oh, maybe I shouldn't have offered Fiji that new hospital. I'm sure he will feel very happy that we also have built one ourselves. And we thank Mr. Kumar. He's done that for Fiji. Good fortune comes to those who can first help themselves. I'm sure Mr. Modi, Prime Minister Modi, will be very happy that Fiji is not sitting back idle with a handkerchief on the streets of the world begging for money. we're also doing our own. I also want to pay tribute on how a facility such as the one we're opening here today becomes a testament of how much infrastructure has developed in our country. Medical personnel from across the Pacific can train and upgrade their skills in your hospital at no cost as a gift from Fiji. I'm glad that in our announcement last week of the budget that medicine, prescription medicine, has been added to the list of 21 zero-rated items as a part of the government part in helping the people, helping establishments such as this. I'm sure those who are involved in marketing your products, marketing Fiji abroad, are also now looking at this great opportunity, adding this to the list of attractions that people should come to Fiji for. Apart from offering surgical services in a broad range of specialties, ranging from general to neuro and cardiology, PSH is also equipped to look after obs and gynae patients, urology, plastic, and orthopedic surgery. Congratulations. We also have outfitted for patient care. PSH will also be a teaching hospital, supporting academia and research with plans to establish a drug manufacturing and validation plant. This is the good kind of drug, eh? You know? I know that all of us here understand that more people are opting to receive medical treatment abroad rather than in their own countries because of certain medical services are not available in their own countries or countries of residence. Their health insurance does not cover the full cost of a procedure. Most people are unwilling to compromise their health just because the treatment costs are too high. But now, all these will be affordable and right next door. And all those out there in the international community will have the great opportunity of coming to Fiji, having their medical treatment, and enjoying Fiji as a medical and tourist destination. Through this facility, Mr. Kumar, Fiji is a destination that can offer global standards of care with the technological advancements that is rapidly improving all over the world. And this one will also take advantage of all the growth, all the improvements, all the new technologies that are coming onto the market in the years ahead. And in a country where English is the more common mode of communication, the opportunities are boundless. Mr. Kumar, I wish you and your team the very best. God bless you. Thank you very much. Congratulations. We have great pleasure in declaring open these facilities in Nadi. And now we'll have